Hey y'all! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn SharePlay on or off on your iPhone running iOS 26. If you're into watching movies, jamming to music, or showing your screen while on a FaceTime call, SharePlay is going to be your best friend. But hey, if you don't want to be bothered with it, turning it off is just as easy. First things first, pop open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap on Apps. Then scroll again till you see FaceTime. Go ahead and tap that. Inside the FaceTime settings, look for SharePlay. This bad boy lets you watch shows, bump music, or use apps together while chatting on FaceTime. Tap it to open up the SharePlay settings. Right up top, you'll see a toggle switch. Flip it on if you want to use SharePlay, or switch it off if you're not feeling it. Want to give it a shot? Cool. Just open the FaceTime app and call up a friend. Once y'all are connected, look in the bottom left corner and tap the three little dots. That's More Options. Now hit SharePlay from the menu. You'll see stuff like music, YouTube, Spotify, fitness, and Apple TV all ready to stream in sync. Pick your app, choose a song or video, and boom, everyone on the call hears or sees the same thing at the same time. Super smooth. Don't want to mess with SharePlay anymore? No biggie, just head back to those FaceTime settings and turn the toggle off. And that's it. Easy peasy. If this helped you out, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more iPhone tips and how-tos. Catch you next time!